Alajalo, no problem. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is the start of a new vlog. If you're new here or you're just joining us for the first time, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing and remember to click on that bell notification icon. That way you get notified every time I upload a new content, which is at least once a week. Alright, so I'm on the streets and I'm vlogging, and people are looking at me like I'm mad, but we do what we can. Alright, so I'm on my way to work. It is a Sunday evening, and although it doesn't look like it, this is past 7. Trust me. Don't let this song fool you. It's 7:30 at the moment. And I'm waiting for my colleague. He's picking me up on our way to work. So tonight I'm working and I'm praying that I get a very merciful word. Although I had time to sleep, but truthfully, in all sincerity, I had time to sleep. I had time to rest. So I'm actually quite rested, but I am praying that I get a floor that is easy to work on tonight, because brain cells. It's a lovely Sunday evening. Believe it or not, this is 7:38 in the evening, PM. UK weather can confuse your mind. That's one video that I'm currently working on. Culture shock in this country. The weather and everything is just... It's an experience. I'm praying that I get a floor that is easy to work on. You know, after you work back to back, after some time, you pray for for a good shift. So yes, I'm praying for a shift that is actually quite easy on me tonight. So I will not be stressed halfway. Okay, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. All right. Seriously, you guys, it takes just 6 minutes to drive to work and 37 minutes to walk to work. That's like almost 40 minutes to walk. Getting your own car in this country is not a luxury. I tell you, it's a necessity. See, just before I go in, I always make a prayer. I always say a prayer to just be extra careful on this shift. I always pray that my mind is alert and I do not make any mistakes. No mishaps happens on my shift. No one dies on my shift. I always pray this prayer, and it has worked in the past, and it continues to work. So guys, this might just be something to note. a few minutes past 11 and I'm just settling down to start paperwork. Alright, so the thing that I've been doing extra right now is that I've been shadowing a nurse because I'm doing my training for medication administration. So yeah, it's a lot of working, a lot of carefulness. Because you can't afford to make a mistake when it comes to medication. So yeah, that's what today has been about. So let me just catch up with people and I'll talk to you later. Right. So I don't know how many people have heard me say this in a number of my videos, but we are entitled to 1 hour break in my place of work. So what I usually do is take that time, find a quiet place, lie down and sleep for 1 hour. Obviously, I have to tell my co-workers or the people I'm working with on the same floor that I'm going on my break. We can't all go on our breaks at the same time, but that is what I usually do with my break time. I always find a quiet place to knock off for 1 hour and I try to refresh in that time and then come back and continue my work. So the next morning, after I had time to rest and recover from the night shift, I was off for a couple of days. So I used the next morning to shoot a promotional video for Madam Glam. I hope you guys remember this video a couple of vlogs ago. Yes. Alright, so the promotion is still on. Use my promo code here on the screen to qualify for the 30% discount. Alright, so the next day we had to take the boys to the park so that they can stretch their legs and we could just spend time as a family.
In Jesus' name. I say amen. Amen. And then you hold it like this.
And then you shoot. And then you shoot right here. Oh! No, Mommy, there's a hole for it. When you want to,
You're smart.
I know.
Like that.
Then you let go. Then you shoot. Oh! You missed.